Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a very exciting video. We're going to be going through a few SheIn nail supplies and try to create a set like this. If you like to see videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. So getting right into the SheIn haul, we have some foils here. They were all $2 for this whole pack. First we have this gold color. We have about 3 gold colors in here, but this is like flaky. We have green, another gold, which is less flaky, red, silver, another gold, pink, purple, blue, silver, our next product is going to be this nice case that has some pearls, some beads that are gold and silver, which we'll be using in this video. Next, we're gonna look at these brushes. Today we're gonna be using this dotting tool, but it's a really nice compact set. Next, we get these little vials of glitter. A lot come in these, so I feel like it's a really good deal for the amount of money. They have different types of glitter. On the third row, there are hearts and stars and other shapes. So now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna pick out our dual forms that we're gonna use. So how I do my polygel is pretty much the same for everybody. I put some polygel on the dual form, then use my slip solution in my brush to smooth it out. I try to make sure that it's not too thick and not too thin. I'm going to set that aside. I like to put on my dual forms all at the end. So next we're going to mix some glitter into our clear polygel for our nail. I'm going to use the blue hearts that were in there. They're so adorable. I'm going to use some of these blue glitter flakes. And some gold glitter and dark blue glitter. So now I'm mixing it up. When you guys are doing this, you're going to want to make sure that you don't have too much glitter or too much polygel. So here's how it looks when it's done. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that into the nail. I first put some base coat into the dual form so that when I put the glitter in there, it's not really poking through, because sometimes you can have that. And then when you're shaping it and filing, you will have glitter poking through. Here's how it looks. So next, I just put some clear polygel into this door form. We're going to take some of those foils from earlier. I'm going to use the blue and the gold one and just press it in there in no particular shape. So now that we've gotten our gold foil down, we're going to put another layer of clear polygel on it just to make sure that it's sealed inside. So our next nail is going to be a little different. I'm going to put some polygel at the base of the nail. I'm going to try to shape it into kind of a curve. Next, I'm going to put some of the polygel that we've been using on the other nails. It's like a milky pink color. And I'm going to put that on top and smooth it out. So once I like how all the nails look, I'm going to put them all on individually and then cure individually so they're not moving all over the place. So now once we have them cured, I'm just gonna pop them off. And then we could continue to our shaping and filing. And guys, don't forget I'm a beginner nail enthusiast. So if you have any tips or ideas for me, please leave them down in the comments. So now that we have our nails on, we're going to start filing. I'm just going to use my e-file from Amazon to file down the length of the nails. After using the e-file, we're just going to buff the surface of the nail and get ready to apply our top coat. So here's how the nails look, freshly shaped and buff. So now time for the clear coat. Now that we've finished putting on the top coat and cure them, we're going to start putting on our decoration. For the pinky nail, I'm just going to use some of these iridescent rhinestones that were in the SheIn box. After putting those on there while the bling gel is still wet, I'm going to use some of those gold beads. Moving on to the next nail, we are going to use some of these water decals. I'm going to use this Care Bear one because it's on theme with the nails. So to put on the nail decal, we have to put it in warm water and then put a layer of base coat on the nail and then top it with base coat and then cure it. After curing, we're going to move on to decorating it, where I'm going to use some of these flat pieces from the SheIn box. I'm going to place them in diagonal. After curing, we're going to move on to the fun part, which is painting the nail. I'm going to use this dotting tool that we got inside of the brush pack from SheIn and some blue acrylic paint. So my idea for this nail was to make cow print. After we are done painting the nail, we are going to apply top coat and then cure. Also, for these gold accents from SheIn, you're going to want to make sure that you apply top coat because they do tarnish. And after we cure, here is the final look. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos like these. I'll see you guys in the next video.